Okay, so what we have here is a laptop hooked up to a TV using a DVI to HDMI cable and a HDMI to DVI adapter, because the laptop just has an HDMI out. But as far as I can tell, the quality is just as high as an HDMI cable. So here's the setup we're using. Just an adapter hooked up to a DVI cable, and then in the back, just an HDMI in. To compare, I also have another computer hooked up with just a regular HDMI cable, HDMI to HDMI. And playing the same movie, Blu-ray quality. And I honestly cannot tell the difference between the two. So, to me it's about the same. Okay.